Hello students, welcome to Next. I'm going to explain you about the only program in the world that guarantees 100% job placement in the tech industry. Yes, you heard it right. 100% job placement. Our flagship program, Techie Super. If you're a graduate or a final year student looking to kickstart your career in tech, this is the perfect place for you to be. This is a 3 months on-site program where you will be required to come into the office Monday to Friday from 9:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. The key objective behind keeping this program offline is that we are not an edtech company or any training center. We are a hardcore software development company. You will be joining this program as an associate software engineer and not as a trainee or student. You will be working on end-to-end project implementations. This live, hands-on practical experience will not be based on dummy or capstone projects, but actual live projects of the company. Apart from this, you will also receive intensive training for soft skills and resume building. Upon completion, you'll receive a professional experience letter validating your skills and boosting your job prospects. Plus, you get unlimited mock interviews. When time comes for the actual interviews, we will coordinate end-to-end with the first 10 companies along with resume optimization services, ensuring you get the best package in the best company based on your performance. After the first 10 client interviews, we will be providing unlimited job assistance with as many interviews up until 6 months from the commencement of the program. During the entire period of your program, you will be interacting with our senior IT professionals to implement practice projects and live applications and learn from them. In this program, you will get complete exposure to the corporate work environment where you would be a part of the team and will interact with them on a daily basis. You will be given technical overview from the time of product development idea until the final implementations go live. So basically, you will be living the lifestyle of a software engineer. Now, students with the given criteria will be eligible. Background in BE BTech, ME MTech, MC or any engineering stream. Minimum of 60% score in all high school, senior secondary and degree programs. Good communication skills and a positive attitude. Currently in their final year or previous year graduates. Your selection process will be in the following way. Round 1. Interview with the program manager. Round 2. Interview with the HR manager. Round 3. Group discussion. And round 4. Interview with the technical team or the management. A professional fee for your live project experience and guaranteed job placement is Rs 1,60,000 plus GST. This is the most affordable program available, geared towards the job market. You can either pay the full amount upfront or avail our EMI options with our financing partner, L&T Services, with terms ranging from 3 months up to 18 months. Now, let me tell you about our refund policies. A. If you are terminated due to poor performance within the first 15 days of our program, we give you 100% money back. B. If you comply with all the KPI metrics and we are not able to get you a job within 6 months, 100% money back will be issued. On the contrary, you will not be eligible for any refund if you discontinue the program in between or if you fail to meet the KPI metrics and fail to comply with the company policies and guidelines.
Do I need to be technically strong before joining?
Not really. All you need is the right attitude, have a hard-working mindset and a proper discipline to join the program.
Do you provide food and accommodations in Bangalore?
No, we don't. But we will be happy to assist you in finding the right place for your accommodation.
Do I have the option to select a project of my choice?
Yes, we have live projects in 4 different areas, namely full stack development, data science, data analytics and QA automations.
Can I bring my parents?
Yes, we encourage you to visit our Bangalore office.
How will I get the loan process?
You will be guided to our L&T Financials platform where the designated authorities will guide you through the entire loan processes.
Can I cancel the loan process in between?
No. Once you sign up, you are contractually obligated. There are no refund policies in between.
What will be my salary package?
It is completely dependent on your performance and learning capabilities. You have the choice to keep appearing for as many interviews as you want. But once your job is finalized, our obligations will be over. We will always want you to get the best package. More details about the program have been shared in the document. Please go through each and every pointer before applying. Happy learning!